Kritika Nagarajan working with Red Experience Design, a user experience design studio in Bangalore, India. In this third video in the series where we talk about UX design patterns, I'm going to be talking about the one that has to do with enabling easy keyboard-only navigation for pro users. It is an extremely useful pattern to employ in high data input applications where switching between a mouse and a keyboard may reduce the overall speed of the operation. If you ever have to design something like this video may be extremely useful. So let's get started. To understand the use of this pattern, let me give you a little background. We worked with a client for whom we had to design a hotel room booking application. This is the same system used by travel desk operators in large companies whose job it is to do hotel bookings for their employees. They have a desktop computer in front of them and a phone in one hand on which they're talking to the employee who's requesting for the hotel room. So it was essential to design a system that can be used in one hand. They need to gather information like location, payment methods, date of travel, apart from other additional parameters. We designed the system to work with just the set of keys on the right side that you would find in a full-size desktop keyboard, using the slash and a number to indicate a selection on a list and the enter key to make a selection. It works like this. You begin by entering a PNR number and let's say there are two results that match against it. The list is shown with numbers assigned for each result on the left. Normally, you can use your mouse to select the second item, or you can click the down arrow twice and hit enter. In our example, you can make a selection of the second item by typing in /2 into the search bar itself and then hitting enter. One could ask why do it this way when it's simple enough to hit the down arrow key twice. This design pattern really shines when you have multiple matches and maybe you need to select the fifth item on the list, like in the following step when you have to select a specific hotel. Typing in /5 is much faster than any other method of doing the selection. And the slash mechanism handles date entries as well. As any design pattern, this one has its pros and cons as well. This is a design pattern that's only handy for desktop applications. It is also something that is useful in applications that are used frequently because this is a usage pattern that needs to be taught to the users just like any other keyboard shortcut. This is not a pattern that we recommend where the item list contains less than 3 items. So that's a quick look at a design pattern that we developed for our client. We have found it useful in a number of scenarios, especially when designing systems for internal use. We hope it will serve you well too. If you do use it somewhere, feel free to drop us a line and let us know. We'll be thrilled to hear from you. If you have any thoughts on this, leave us a comment down below. That's it from me. That's Kritika Nagarajan from Red Experience Design, wishing you a great day.